The vegetables elevated even more.
Hey! Wait, let me put my headphones in so y'all can hear me. Okay. So, like, I just wanted to welcome you to my cooking show. This cooking show is the Intuitive Kitchen, okay? This cooking show ain't got no plan. It's gonna show you exactly what I do on a daily basis. I have no plan. I usually just grab stuff and go. So we're about to figure it out together. So I got some ground chicken. I got some vegetables. I got zucchini. I got a fuzzy squash that I need to cook, but I guess I'll get to that tomorrow. I got zucchini and bell pepper, red bell pepper. Hella onions and some garlic. What else can we use? Let's see. Okay, so I have these. I think I want to use these. So, can you see that? Yeah. I want to use these. So, we're going to use these. We're going to do some of them. I don't know yet. I'm really finna show y'all how the madness happens. So I got some cinnamon swirl peanut butter. I don't know. We'll find out later. And then, what else are you getting? Cinnamon swirl peanut butter, strawberry vinegar. I got crushed strawberry vinegar and some chili crunch. And what else we got? What else we got? I have some. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Right? Yeah. 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 Well, let's do it. Y'all, isn't this the cutest? Like, it's a spoon rest. Anyway, so I got my olive oil. I'm using Iberia. And I'm just gonna put some in the pan. And then I'm gonna dump my business right on in the pan. I said bowl. This is not a bowl. My bad, guys. My bad. These are not my onions that I chopped, but I'm borrowing some of my mother's onions that she cut up. And then we're gonna take our fancy gold spoon and we're going to take some garlic. This time we have badia. Now, don't get me wrong. I like to cut up my own garlic, okay? But tonight was another night. It just wasn't happening. God, I'm dropping my gloves everywhere. I hate that for me. That's ghetto. Anyway, because, yeah, they're vinyl gloves. I don't want to touch the meat. I just don't. We got our ground chicken that I separated. Boom. Okay. And then I'm going to take one of my gloves off so I can season my meat. Bless it. Oh man, I'm just tearing up everything. So we're going to put a little pepper on my butt. I like black pepper, y'all, so don't judge me. A little onion powder. If you like onions. A little garlic powder. Garlic. And a little salt. Oh no! Now I gotta disinfect the top. A little salt. Nothing too crazy. And we're gonna give her a nice little, a little 1-2. Nice little 1-2. Might it. Excuse my randomness. Having neurodivergent moments. Okay, now that that's together, I'm going to take some Zaha. Ain't that what it's called? Zaha. This is good stuff, y'all. This is only a sample size, actually. I haven't even bought any more yet. This was a free sample. I think it was free. Yeah, it was free. I'm just going to put some Zaha in here. What is Zaha, you may ask? Let me read it, because I don't remember. Oh, it smells so good already. Thyme leaves, oregano. Dang, y'all. Sesame seeds, salt, soy oil, sumac, fried garlic, sesame oil, red pepper paste, sugar, paprika, sesame, onion powder, soy sauce, powder. But it's like soybean, wheat, and salt, and then olive oil. Flavor. Gonna give it a mix. Get it all nice and incorporated and things. And all that good flavor. It's so good on everything, but it's really good on vegetables, y'all. Like, dead serious. Like, it's so good. So excited for this. I don't even know what I'm making, but it's gonna be good. I do not fail. Okay, so we got some good heat going. Okay. We like it. We like it. I'm excited, y'all. Super excited. You know what's stuck in my head is that nothing I did, nothing I was, nothing I did. That's what's in my head right now. I don't know why. Don't you just love that sound? Like, it sounds so nice. I'll turn it down some. But that sound, it smells amazing already. And I've not put much of anything on this except for the raw. That's it. Even though I don't need to taste this, we're going to give it a taste just for good measure because I just know it's going to be so good. Yeah. That is just so delicious. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, we got the vegetables out with some beautiful color. Yes, sir. And now okay, let's try this again. Papaya. Yeah. Chicken going in. And this is my 92% lean chicken. So, not completely devoid of moisture, but, you know, healthy. Ooh, look at that color. We got a beautiful frond on the bottom of the pan, y'all. So, that's going to come right off on that chicken. You see, this is why I like the 92. We got a lot of moisture in here. And I didn't add any more olive oil to the pan. 92 is that sweet spot. It's not dry unless you dry it out on dinner. Okay, so I'm going to let the residual heat cook that because I done turned it off because it's time. I want to put these in the air fryer actually. So let me do that. And then I think I want to put the meat on top of this and I think the cheese will go good with this. Maybe this. I mean, don't get me wrong. I prefer to shred it myself, but this is decent. Oh, some Tillamook is really good, but I ain't got that right now. Oh, wait, look how cute, y'all. Hold on. Very nice. Okay, in the air fryer it goes. I'm only gonna eat 2 of these, so yeah. They look scrumptious. Okay, time for the sauce. New contender has entered the chat. Okay, so let's scoop out some peanut butter. I don't know how much I need because I have no plan. So. Peanut butter. It's melting already. We're going to put some honey. I don't know how much I need of this either, but that should be enough. Some of the vinegar. Don't know what that's going to do. Okay, now for some chili crisp. Let's give it a mix. I don't know, y'all. It smells kind of good. We'll find out, won't we? Let's taste it. Oh my God. Girl, that is... Oh, it tastes like a fancy strawberry jam, peanut butter and jelly. Oh my God, it's so good. It's going to be delicious. Okay, so the cheese is melted on top. I'm now gonna add my chicken. I'm using my hands because it's fine. I don't care. Trying to make this a cute plate. Okay, chicken's added. Now for the best part, the sauce. I don't know that it's gonna drizzle, but I just want some of the sauce on there at this point. Here we are, guys. I'm excited. I'm so ready to try it. Okay, here I go. Which one should I do? Which one should I do? I want some. Okay,
Whole time, my whole element was missing. My vegetables. Let's try this again. The vegetables elevated even more. Look, I know it sounded crazy, but this kitchen don't got no rules, okay? And I do not miss. Like I say that with confidence. I ain't missed yet. I mean, try it out. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Like the flavors, they are just rolling together so nicely, complementary across the board. The peppers with that subtle cinnamon, the peanut butter and strawberry with this. T. I love it. I mean, to be honest, guys, this is nothing but an elevated peanut sauce. And this is already on Asian dishes with vegetables. Like, hello. This how we going out. Okay, well, I'm done talking. I'm gonna go smash. Thank y'all for watching my craziness. Bye. Oh, make sure you subscribe to the channel too. Okay, bye.